nawala na nga si Cardo kasi pinahirapan siya ni Joaquin. Tapos nung mga pulis. So, no Ador, no Cardo.
What's something else? Only Doblicara lang, not provincial anymore. What's something else, please? Of course you say but to me.
What? What but?
You're saying but to me. Mama.
What?
You're saying but to me.
What did I?
Si Cardo's dead.
Dead na siya. Nakita ko sa TV. Nakita ko sa TV. Dead na siya. You go to daddy. You tell daddy. You ask daddy if Cardo is dead. Magbabay ka na kay Cardo. Say bye-bye, Cardo. Alright! Why are you crying? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby.
Cardo's blood. Cardo's already dead.
Hindi pa siya dead. Sleeping lang siya. Sleeping lang. Sa hospital lang siya. Okay, so don't cry na, okay? Don't cry na, don't cry na. Don't cry na. Okay pa si Cardo. Okay? Show me your face. Show me your face. Can I see your face? Can I see your face?